The main event. This is the only MMA match we have for the evening. From the blue corner, representing Monkey Gangsta MMA. Let's give it up for Nico Garrido. Yeah, and his opponent from. Let's give it up for Rexil John Vicente. Round one.
Parehas sila ng color ng ano? No. Parehas ba sila ng color ng gloves? Gamit na gamit pa lang.
Ang hirap pala niya kapag may gear, may headgear ka.
Yeah.
Kasi pag yun,
hindi nakakahinga.
Oo.
Yeah, yan na.
Nag-i-squeeze yung phone.
Ayan na. Eh, mangangalay talaga yun. Hindi talaga. Ayan na. Oh!
Yan, buddy! Buddy, nice one!
Okay lang, fan lang ako. Okay lang. Panic.
Medic.
Ikaw na pa.
Medic muna, medic. Is he okay?
Ikaw
Ano yun? Stoppage.
Joe Vincenzo na ito.
Ay, si Champ
Joe Vincenzo.
Si Chovin.
No. TKO yun. Congrats, Nico. Good job.
Oo nga, sabi niya nga eh.
Dali lang. Perfect. TKO. Ground and pound. GNP. GNP.
Happy na ako na nanonood.
That's what it means.
Champion.
Sir Javi, nahuli ka na.
Alright, and to present the award, the UGB MMA CEO,
Hindi.
Perla May.
Hindi.
Sorry. Prank lang yun, prank. It's a prank. To present the award, no other than the UGB Flyweight Champion, the reigning, defending Joe Vincent So. Congratulations to both fighters. Yeah.